Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Govind Gupta and you're watching Cruise Bro. Right now I am in Costa Maya, Mexico Island, and this is one of the beautiful island in Mexico with the crystal clear water, and we have coastal lines all over the place. You can see coconut trees with the blue turquoise water and beautiful vibes, and summer day out here with the bright sun. We have a lot of tropical birds, fishes and marine life, and of course with the rich history, culture of Mexican city, Mexico people. And today in this vlog I'm going to give you a quick tour of the cruise port area of Costa Maya. So right now, as you know, I am working with Icon of the Seas and we have been docked here in morning. Right now is the time is 1 o'clock and this is my break time and I have come out. So I will keep this video very simple, so you and me gonna walk together with this beautiful island and we're gonna explore what are the things are here, what are the activities you can do, and what are the restaurant, what are the shops, what are the excursion you can do here. So starting from the pier area, I will walk all the way inside the Costa Maya, okay? And stay tuned, watch till the end, don't miss anything, okay? And enjoy walking with me. So without any time waste, I would like to start this fantastic summer day vlog here in Costa Maya. So guys, I was there near the Icon of the Seas and this is the whole port area looks like. We have long pair, we have total 4 pair here. So right now there are other ships also have been docked here, which is Carnival Jubilee, and together with Icon of the Seas. And from there I took this toy train which is standing behind me, you can see. So I took that from there. It's free of charge. The only thing that you have to tip the guy, okay, in the end of the trip. And this is the round trip. It just like it takes like not more than 5 minutes. If you even walk from the cruise, the port area, it will take like 5 minutes. So it's up to you. You can either walk or you can take this toy train from the port area, pier area, and you come all the way from here, and then you will find this the entry gates look like Costa Maya written on top. And right now I'm going inside and I will show you exactly what the port area look like and what are the restaurants, what are the things are there, okay? So stay tuned and watch till the end. So guys, let's go inside, and this is the entry gate as I said. Right now I'm going inside here, and place look little bit busy here, you can see. So this is the first thing you will see here, Costa Maya written in the big letters, where you can take pictures and all. So this is kind of a picture spot for you. You can take picture, and we have this boardings, holdings, where you can get a guide and you can take picture here also. We have tour, excursion, the shopping areas, everything is given here. So this is the whole area looks like. We have some bars on my left hand side, and I will show you this cool graffiti over here. Look at this amazing thing, the sitting chair, looking absolutely amazing. And there is our ship, Icon of the Seas, in the background, and look at the amazing crystal clear blue water. And I was talking about this graffiti, Mexican graffiti, most of the Caribbean colors, nice bright. And this is the shack area where you can grab a taxi for your excursion if you want to. If you have booked water slides, water park, you will get a taxi from here. Okay, so moving forward, Let's move forward. So there are some help decks over here where they can help you. You can book your excursion here also. And this is the first bar I have seen. Oh wow, they have swing also, so you can sit and drink and enjoy the swing together with the swing. Look at this small guy, he's enjoying the swing. Hi buddy. And this is the bar area, so you will get all the cocktails drink. And let me show you something. So this is the Mayan people here. You can take picture with them. They are absolutely looking amazing with the traditional dresses. Look at this. The traditional people of Costa Maya. Hello. So you can see, you can take a picture with them. Right now it's quite empty here because most of the people are going for the excursion for the water parks and all. And so this is the thing, you can take picture with them, Mayan people. So this is the another entry point here. So once you go inside, you will find some help decks here also, in case if you want to know something. And we have duty free shops here. If you want to buy any alcohol, any drinks, you can get from here. This is the duty free shop. So as soon as you come out from this second point entry level, you will find this lane, and where I can see some diamond shops and some other shops. And you have guide here, posters, where they guide you towards the beach, towards the spa, towards the restaurant, bars, and more things. You can see some cloth shops here. On my right hand side, all the shopping areas, shopping shops, and we have shacks. And there is some traditional Danza de Voladores, which I have already covered in my video. They are doing this ritual, ancient ritual, Danza de Voladores. You can see people gathered here from all around the world to see this. Wow, it's amazing and scary though. Look at these people hanging upside down. Mayan ritual called Danza de Voladores, Dance of the Flare. And we are so lucky to see them performing this Danza de Voladores. Look at them. Wow. So this is the performance area as soon as you come out from the second entry gate. So guys, this is something looks like a traditional monument over here, which is called La Cartina. Beautifully, colorfully designed with the marbles. And we are walking towards the beach side, restaurant sites, and there are more shops here. The souvenir shops, cloth shops, clothing brands, jewelries, and on my left hand side some more bars where you can enjoy your drinks along with the free Wi-Fi. And so right now I'm walking in Costa Maya cruise port. In the port area we have more jewelry shops, and look at this Caribbean vibe with the coconut trees all around the port area. And this is the shops, leather shops, where you can buy bags, shoes and all. And if you are thirsty, if you are dehydrated, have some fresh coconut here in Costa Maya. And look at this amazing bar again with the swing things. And La Fortuna Villa. Hello. People are enjoying their drink. Wow, what an amazing place. Wow, you can see a lot of coconut trees here, and there are many bars, restaurant, shopping area, more shopping area. You want to buy any gifts, any clothes, anything for your family member, you can buy from here. And We also have some cool decorations. Look at this crocodile. Oh, really like these shacks kind of things, houses. And look at this, there's a party going on. Wow, this is a big area with a swimming pool, restaurants, bars, and people are enjoying their summer vacation over here with the good music, good vibes. Wow. And this is another diamond shop. Hello. Going forward, let's go. What amazing vibes here. To enjoy your vacation, enjoy your time, good time. The family member, friends, loved ones. People are enjoying in the pool. Look at this whole area. Beautifully decorated, and shacks, restaurants, bars. Looks like water park, swim up bar over here, and people are having good time. Going inside the bar right now, and you can see people are dancing. Cantina Latina bar, whole name. Wow. Look at this shack, big shack bar. And in the background there is a dance going on. Lot of bars here, beautiful people, beautiful girls here. Hello. Hola, hola. People are enjoying their drink. You see, and there are some sun beds here, sun chairs. You can sit and enjoy. Let's go more further. Guys, I'm really enjoying walking on this beautiful port over here, Costa Maya cruise port, and people are enjoying their summer time here. And there are a lot of shops, shopping areas, restaurants, bars, and you can see here a small point where you can spot flamingos, colorful flamingos. You can see here. Guys, this is the small area which is dedicated for these flamingo birds. They are looking absolutely beautiful together with the bright colors on them. You can see nice red pinkish color flamingos, and there are some other birds also on the tree, and you have this all small bird sanctuary kind of thing where you can spot more birds. Guys, right now I'm moving towards the dolphin area where you will see there are many dolphins, and they have been trained by the specialist, and they can play with you. You can take picture with them, you can swim with them. So this is the designated area. Behind me you can see for the dolphins, and where you have to book excursion, or you can come directly over here and you can book to play with them, dolphins. As you can see, they are playing with the basketballs, and some of them are jumping, swinging. So there are many dolphins out here. So this is the specially designated area for the dolphins. Guys, this is the place where you can book the excursion for the dolphins if you haven't booked on board. So they have charges like approximately 130 to 120 US dollar to swim with the dolphins, and if you want to take picture with them in the still camera, it will charge you separately. Like for the one picture they charge like 40 USD dollar, and facilities they have, like they will give you the swim vest you can say, and they have locker facilities where you can keep your clothes, your valuables, and also they have some area where they will show you all your pictures, and from there you can select what are the pictures you want. So they will show you on the screen. Okay, so this is the swim with the dolphin area, and if you come here you can book from here directly. You will see a lot of iguanas also here in this island everywhere. As you can see, one is here walking in the sun right there. Guys, next to the dolphin section we have this Costa Maya beach, little beach section right here where you can see the beach area, and we have the shacks, sunbeds where you can enjoy sunbathing together with drinks, beer and everything. So look at those dolphins, they also have their name like Fernando, Sofia, male, female. They are swimming there. And see, Icon of the Seas, Carnival Jubilee, and we have this nice bar area next to the beach. You can enjoy your drink, watching beautiful ocean, the beautiful waves. The weather is very shiny, very bright, sunny day. There are plenty of shops here in Costa Maya Cruise Port. You can see, you can do hair braiding also available here, and lots of clothing shops, cigar shops, and walk. Right now I'm walking in this beautiful lane. We have this wash basin, restrooms. Look at these beautiful mirrors, colorful mirrors, and we have some medication shops, pharmacy in case if you need any medication, and local Spanish girls, Mexican girls. This lane is looking absolutely colorful, bright, with the shops, bars, liquor shops, and some local food, snacks. Look at this famous tequila from Mexico, Don Julio. All the famous tequila you can taste here, Jalisco. I really like this bar. Give you the vibes of the Mexican tradition, the wooden chairs and all. And look at this amazing decoration which is crafted here. Good to take pictures. Alright, so this is the lane area, and right now I'm walking towards the church kind of a thing here. This is the, looks like a church, and more tender coconut to beat the heat. And wow, there is another open area out here with a swim up bar, and also there is, I can see flow riding happening over there. Alright, let me take you there real quick. So this is the flow riding. You can see some people are doing flow riding, they are learning. So even you can do flow riding in Costa Maya. This is the another area where you can see this church, and with the together with swim up bar, and we have lots of sunbeds, umbrellas to beat the heat. Okay, since it's too hot over here, so you can enjoy this beautiful view. Guys, right now I'm resting a little bit inside the shade area because the climate is very hot. And I see this bar, beautiful bar next to me, and this horseback riding, leather sitting thing. And also if you want to grab ice cream, we have different flavors of ice cream available here at the shop. Guys, there is also a fish bar here where you can sit down and relax, and these small fishes, they will give you a nice foot massage, as you can see. Alright guys, it's time to say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlogs, and if you really enjoyed, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. So I will see you in next vlog with another cruise port tour. Till then, take care, goodbye, and keep watching.